Hi, this is Chef Deborah, and today I will share to you one of my recipe, a bread recipe, Italian flatbread, and what we call focaccia with rosemary and olives. This is very delicious recipe. Everybody loves it. So I hope you enjoy the video, watch and follow the step, and I hope you can try it in your home. 1000 gram bread flour, 30 gram instant yeast, 15 gram salt, 30 gram white sugar, 200 grams green olives, 25 gram dried rosemary, 6 tablespoons olive oil, 700 ml of water. For the procedure, mix all together by the hook attachment all the ingredients except the olives. Stop mixing if it became smooth in texture. Rest the dough for 40 minutes. After resting, pass down the dough, spray with the oil and line the baking pan. Flatten the dough. Add some rosemary and olives and push down the olives to the dough. Brush with the olive oil the top of the dough. You can use also the round pizza pan for the round shape. Rest again for another 40 minutes before baking. Bake at 180 to 200 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. See, it's very soft and fluffy. Thank you for watching.